Hello students, myself Priyadarshini Hore. I am from Lathe Education Society's Ganpatrao Arwade College of Commerce, Sangli. I welcome all of you in this lecture. Last lecture we have studied or we have completed an icebreakers activity from the poem Father Returning Home. So today we are going to start or we are going to learn our poem Father Returning Home. Before starting poem, we will see an introduction of the poet. Father Returning Home poem is written by Dilip Purushottam Chitre. He is an Indian poet. He was a bilingual poet. Here bilingual means expert in two languages or who can write and speak in two languages. Also, Dilip Purushottam Chitre was a teacher, painter, filmmaker and a magazine columnist. He began writing poetry at the age of 16. He published his first collection of poems in Marathi, that is Ekun Kavita, in 1960. He stepped into film industry in 1969. He received most prestigious Sahitya Akademi Award for his collection of poems called Ekun Kavita in 1994 and also Says Tuka. It is a collection of abhangas written by Sant Tukaram. Exile, alienation, loneliness and death are the important themes of his poetry. He was died in 2009. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, फादर रिटर्निंग होम ही कविता भारतीय कवी दिलीप पुरुषोत्तम चित्रे यांनी लिहिलेली आहे. त्यांचा जन्म 1938 साली झाला. ते एक चित्रकार, कवी, शिक्षक आणि चित्रपट निर्माते होते. त्यांनी वयाच्या अवघ्या 16व्या वर्षी कविता लिहिण्यास सुरुवात केली. 1960 साली त्यांनी त्यांचा पहिला कविता संग्रह एकूण कविता हा प्रकाशित झाला. याच कवितेला 1994 साली साहित्य अकादमी पुरस्कार मिळाला. त्याचबरोबर इंग्रजी कविता संग्रह सेज तुका या कवितेसाठी सुद्धा त्यांना साहित्य अकादमी पुरस्कार देण्यात आला. एकाकीपणा, एकटेपणा, मृत्यू हे त्यांच्या कवितेचे मुख्य विषय होते. त्यांचा मृत्यू 2009 साली झाला. अशा पद्धतीने या ठिकाणी आपण कवी दिलीप पुरुषोत्तम चित्रे यांची थोडक्यात ओळख करून घेतली. सो नाउ we will see an introduction of the poem. Father Returning Home poem is taken from Traveling in a Cage. It is an autobiographical poem. In this poem, the poet depicts loneliness and world weariness of an old person in modern age by depicting his own father. He also depicts loneliness, monotonousness, exhausting life of his father. It describes forced alienation of a father at home. This poem has 2 stanzas having 12 lines. It is written in free verse. Here, free verse means this poem has no rhyme scheme or meter. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, फादर रिटर्निंग होम ही कविता ट्रॅव्हलिंग इन अ केज या कविता संग्रहामधून घेतलेली आहे. त्याचबरोबर ही कविता आत्मचरित्रात्मक कविता आहे. यामध्ये कवीने आपल्या वडिलांच्या स्थितीचे वर्णन केलेले आहे. त्याचबरोबर या कवितेमध्ये एका वडिलांचे जे आयुष्य आहे, दयनीय अशी अवस्था वडिलांची जी आहे, ती अवस्था कवीने या कवितेमध्ये मांडलेली आहे. ही कविता मुक्त छंदामध्ये लिहिलेली आहे. नाव वी विल सी द मीनिंग ऑफ द टायटल फादर रिटर्निंग होम. Literally, the meaning of the title is father is returning home from workplace. But when we consider the word home in the title, here we can say that the meaning of the home is a place where one person's needs are taken care of. In home, people are living happily. They share their emotions, their feelings, their thoughts, their ideas with each other. So atmosphere in the home is very happy. It is pleasing atmosphere. But on the contrary, when we consider the word house, in the house, it is built up only by bricks. It is a concrete. In house, we can't see any emotions, or we can't see healthy relationships in house. In house, family members doesn't share anything with each other. It is called a house. So here in this poem, father longing to come back to his home, not house. Here I emphasizes the word home because father wants to return to home. Father wants to return towards his family members, not to house. It is the meaning of that word, or it is the meaning of the title, that father wants to return to his home. Father returning home. Or we have an Indian mythology. And Indian mythology, there are two ideals. One is Lord Rama, and second, Lord Rama is from Ramayana, and second is Bhishma from Mahabharata. Ram had chosen the Vanvas for the sake of his father's promise, which his father gave to his stepmother Kaikeyi. And the second figure, Bhishma, took oath that he will not marry in his whole life. So these two ideals, these two figures devoted their life for the sake of their father. In modern world, some extent the fathers are neglected by us. Fathers are doing their hard work, then also they are neglected by us. We celebrate Mother's Day, we celebrate motherhood. Some extent we neglect Father's Day, fatherhood. Father is always busy in working. So here I suggest to you to listen a song by Sandeep Khare, that is in Marathi, Damleल्या बाबाची कहाणी. In that poem, in that song, he depicts the pathetic condition of the father who wants to spend a time with his daughter. So his condition is depicted in that poem. So now we will start our poem. First of all, I will read the poem, and after that I will explain it to you.
Father returning home. My father travels on the late evening train, standing among silent commuters in the yellow light. Suburbs slide past his unseeing eyes. His shirt and pants are soggy, and his black raincoat stained with mud, and his bag stuffed with books is falling apart. His eyes, dimmed by age, fade homeward through the humid monsoon night. Now I can see him getting off the train, like a word dropped from a long sentence. He hurries across the length of the grey platform, crosses the railway line, enters the lane. His chappals are sticky with mud, but he hurries onward, Home again. I see him drinking weak tea, eating a stale chapati, reading a book. He goes into the toilet to contemplate man's estrangement from a man-made world. Coming out, he trembles at the sink, the cold water running over his brown hands. A few droplets clings to the graying hair on his wrists. His sullen children have often refused to share jokes and secrets with him. He will now go to sleep, listening to the static on the radio, dreaming of his ancestors and grandchildren, thinking of nomads entering a subcontinent through a narrow pass.